Welcome to Bireuen Regency. Bireuen is one of the regency in the province of Aceh, Indonesia that presents a variety of tourism potentials and abundant natural resources both from marine products, plantations, rice fields, and from other natural products. With an area of 1,901 square kilometers, it is known as the Golden Triangle of the economy of Aceh province. This is because Bireuen is an area where three regency flourish, namely North Aceh, Bener Meriah, and Pidi Jaya. So that the regency resulting from the expansion of northern Aceh in 1999 became a very strategic regency in improving the economic sector of Aceh. In Bireuen itself, there are a variety of cultures resulting from the cultural acculturation of the three regency, which makes it more interesting to visit and invest here. As a characteristic of the Acehese people, Bireuen is also famous for the culture of drinking coffee in the coffee shop. There are 22,000 hectares and can produce 60,000 tons of rice in one harvest. And not only that, the handicraft also famous because made by bamboo. The community makes a ram pump using village fund to irrigate rice fields located in the hill. In addition, in this regency also has the plantation sector such as oil palm. There are 3,000 hectares which can produce 7,000 tons for a single harvest. In addition, there are also the results of natural resources of coconut. There are 2,500 hectares of coconut land in the district of Bireuen, which can produce 5,600 tons of coconut per harvest. The coconut in the district of Bireuen are sold and even exported abroad, such as China, to be used as the car seat materials, spring beds, mattresses, carpets, and so on and so forth. It has 11,000 hectares of hybrid corn land planted in the village of Bireuen Juli and can produce 30,000 tons of corn in one harvest. There is an area of areca nut plantation of 7,000 hectares and can produce 12,000 tons in one harvest. This is certainly very beneficial for the people of Aceh because in 1 kilogram of dried areca nut is valued amounting to 18,000 rupiah. There are 25 hectares which can produce 4,000 tons of bananas per harvest. There are three regions in Bireuen Regency which produce a lot of jiri matang, such as in Pesangan, Pesangan Sebelah Kerung, and Pesangan Selatan. There are around 6,000 hectares which once harvest can produce 3,000 tons, which cover an area of 6,671 hectares of cocoa land in Bireuen district with a yield of 2,000 tons per harvest. This makes cocoa in Bireuen district processed into cocoa powder and exported to Malaysia by 12 containers by sea. After the plantation and rice fields, the district of Bireuen also has a technology in the field of animal husbandry made by the people of Bireuen under the guidance of the Bireuen district government named Chopper Machinery. This machine alone can produce 500 tons of animals feed in the single production, which will be provided as a food for livestock in the district of Bireuen. In addition to animal feed machines, the people of Bireuen Regency also make fish feed machines that are developed by the Bireuen Regency government, which are named floating fish feeds. In one production, this machine can produce around 450 tons of fish feed. In addition to natural resources from plantations, rice fields, and livestock, Bireuen also has aquaculture and marine resources. For the pond and sea area itself, Bireuen has a sea and pond that is large enough. So that is the reason for Bireuen as the best marine resources production region in the Southeast Asia. From this aquaculture itself, Bireuen also produce a lot of natural resources such as shellfish, oysters, soft shell crabs, shrimp, squid, tuna, freshwater fish, and other marine products. With Bireuen area of about 5,000 hectares and 1,400 hectares of sea, makes this regency as a metropolitan city in according to decision of the Minister of Maritime Affairs and Fisheries. The sea products in this regency are already very advanced. By the sea and pond resources, this regency can produce 900 tons of shrimp, 11,000 tons of fish, 600 tons of crab, and so on and so forth. This regency is also an area that produces a lot of salt. There are approximately 200 salt farmers in this regency, as well as 400 hectares of land that can produce 7,000 tons per day, which greatly helps the economy of this regency community. So, what are you waiting for? If you are looking for more exciting knowledge and experience, let's go to Bireuen and make the investigation here. Thank you.